Like soy sauce, it is known to enhance the flavor of food items. It is also known as yusukuchi, and is mainly used in Chinese recipes. It has a milder aroma, thin texture, and is available in a light reddish-brown color. It is saltier than other soy sauces. Dark soy sauce, this sauce has a strong aroma and is reddish-brown. It is also known as koikachi shoyu. Light soy sauce. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Please like, share and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section.
In this video you will learn the benefits of dark soy sauce, uses, if soy sauce can go bad, and types of soy sauce. 1. A source of sodium. A teaspoon serving of soy sauce, also known as tamari, has 335 milligrams of sodium, according to the USDA National Nutrient Database. While sodium is an essential mineral required for basic bodily functions, including nerve transmission and regulating your blood pressure, the recommended upper limit of sodium for adults is 2,300 milligrams per day. It drops to 1,500 milligrams per day for those who have a history of cardiovascular disease, are African American or who are 51 or older. 2. Anti-allergenic properties. A 2005 review in the Journal of Bioscience and Bioengineering found that soy sauce had anti-allergenic properties. In an cell line study, shoyu polysaccharides, produced during the fermentation process required to make soy sauce, demonstrated potent anti-allergic abilities. In a human study, participants who ingested soy sauce and had allergies exhibited more improvement than those taking the placebo. The scientists concluded that soy sauce held great promise in treating allergies, although further study was needed. Aeon 5.38%, isoleucine 5.26%, valine 4.45%. 3. Reduce cholesterol and LDL cholesterol level, reduce the risk of breast cancer, reduce weight, cure diarrhea. Soy sauce can reduce cholesterol and LDL cholesterol level, if taken in right amounts. Consumption of soy sauce can help in reducing the risk of breast cancer. Soy sauce can help reduce weight. Soy sauce is also known to cure diarrhea effectively. The consumption of a cup of clear soup containing soy sauce enhances gastric juice secretion in humans. Soy sauce possesses antimicrobial activity against bacteria such as Staphylococcus aureus, Shigella flexneri, Vibrio cholera, Salmonella enteritidis, non-pathogenic Escherichia coli and pathogenic E. coli O157 H7. 4. May promote digestion. The microorganisms used in the fermentation of soy sauce have probiotic properties that help improve digestion. A review published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry suggests that the polyphenols in soy sauce also helps in the digestion of food. Another study conducted on Japanese soy sauce, shoyu, to study its functional properties found that intake of 1 cup of clear soy sauce can enhance gastric juice secretion and promote digestion. 5. May reduce allergies. Soya sauce is said to possess anti-allergic properties that may help treat allergies caused by the consumption of certain foods. As per one study, the shoyu polysaccharides SPS in soy sauce can have a suppressive effect on anaphylaxis in the ears of mice. This can also improve the quality of life in people with allergic rhinitis. A Japanese study found that a dose of 600 milligrams of shoyu polysaccharides per day for 4 weeks improved the symptoms of allergic rhinitis. 6. May lower LDL cholesterol. As per the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, intake of 25 grams of soy protein per day can help reduce cholesterol effectively. A review published in Nutrients suggests that the bioactive peptides in soy can lower LDL cholesterol levels. However, more research is warranted to understand this benefit of soy sauce in humans. 7. May reduce blood pressure. A 13-week study on rats orally administered with 200 mg per kilogram body weight per day of newly fermented salt-free soy sauce observed lowered blood pressure levels. As per another study, ganjang, a traditional Korean soy sauce, is said to possess antihypertensive properties. 8. May have anti-tumor effects. A mice study found that soy sauce diets may help reduce the frequency and multiplication of liver tumors. The anti-tumorigenic and anti-mutagenic effects of soy compounds may significantly reduce tumors. However, studies are limited in this regard and more research is warranted to understand these effects in humans. How to make use of dark soy sauce. You can use soya sauce for seasoning as well as sautéing vegetables. Can use a combination of soy sauce, ginger and garlic to marinate tempeh, chicken or baked tofu. Place a container of soy sauce on your dinner table and use it as the substitute for salt. These are the important benefits and how to make use of soy sauce. But did you know that it is available in 5 different types? Check them out in the next section. 5 types of soy sauce. 1. Light soy sauce. It is known to enhance the flavor of food items. It is also known as usukuchi, and is mainly used in Chinese recipes. It has a milder aroma, thin texture, and is available in a light reddish-brown color. It is saltier than other soy sauces. 2. Dark soy sauce. This sauce has a strong aroma and is reddish-brown. It is also known as koikuchi shoyu, and has a thicker texture. It gives a sweet or less salty taste to your food. 3. Thick soy sauce. It is also known as tamari. It is made with gluten-free soybeans. This sauce is dark-colored and tastes sweet. It lacks aroma. It is often used as a substitute for oyster sauce. 4. Shiro. It is made with 80% wheat and 20% soybeans. It is light golden with a sweet wheat flavor. 5. Saishikomi. It is a double-brewed soy sauce produced from equal amounts of wheat and soybeans. It is much darker in color and has a strong flavor. These are the main types of soy sauce. But how do you store it? Also, can soy sauce go bad? An unopened bottle of soy sauce can last about 3 years. The main reason for this longer shelf life is its high sodium that creates an unfavorable environment for microbes to thrive. However, opened soy sauce retains its freshness for a month and doesn't have to be stored in the refrigerator. Refrigerated soy sauce can last up to 1 or 2 years.
If you're still watching, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and leave a comment. Feel free to ask questions.